Miss Ariana from East Greenbush Community Library, and I'm here to show you how to make a fun watercolor picture, but it doesn't involve paint. All you need is some white computer paper, some washable markers, one black Sharpie or other water resistant marker, little spray bottle, and a large Ziploc bag. So the first step is to draw a design only with your black Sharpie permanent marker onto the white paper. So today I'm gonna make a little rainbow kind of a shape. I'm gonna make a sun. And I'm gonna draw me. So this is what my black and white picture turned out to be. I made a little picture of Milo since he loves to be in our videos so much. So set that aside. Here comes the real fun part, in my opinion. Take your Ziploc bag and take your markers. And there doesn't need to be any special pattern or any special drawing, but just scribble all over that bag with your marker. Trust me on this one. Use all different colors, any sort of pattern. So your bag should be covered with marker like this. Lay it back down. Take water in your little water spray bottle and give it a good spritz. Just like that. Then take your picture that you made and put it right on top. And smush it down. You could also spritz it from the back if you want. See what happens. I'd have some paper towels handy for when you pull. And there you go. You have a watercolor transfer. So set your masterpiece to the side and let that dry. And then wipe your Ziploc bag clean. You might need to spray a little water on it. And then you could start all over again. Have a good day.